For the last 14 years, HeliFix Structural have been HeliFix approved contractors, and as such they can install any of the specialist HeliFix systems. The Helibeam is used for an alternative to underpinning and for repairing major cracks in buildings. The wall is chopped out with a special cutter. The joints are flushed. Pre-batched material is mixed. It's then placed in a pump, pumped into the wall with air pressure. The MM2 grout is extremely strong and has great tensile strength. The bar is inserted into the crack. 2 cords of bar go in. This gives it all the properties of a concrete beam. The brickwork below can be removed, if necessary, up to 3 or 4 metres long. On completion, the brickwork is thoroughly cleaned off, all pointed in with lime mortar, an invisible repair. Window head repairs are carried out in a similar fashion. This rub brick arch is dropping, drilled, the helical tie is inserted into a support tool and driven up into the sound brickwork above. The support tool is removed. And it is re-drilled and tacked into place. On completion it is recessed by about 4 or 5 mil, completely invisible, pointed over with brick dust and mortar, completed repair. LSC were called upon to replace 2 large half-ton stones that fell from the library in Salisbury. Alexander engineers from Salisbury tasked us with replacing them so they wouldn't fall over again. 4 o'clock on a Sunday morning, the crane hoisted the stones into position onto a dowel and lime mortar, and they were finally fixed into place with HeliFix cement-ties. The job was completely finished off with sympathetic lime mortar pointing and repairs. When the lichen grows back, the repair will be completely invisible.